Hello, Physics Nation. My name is Nate Larmond, and I'd like to do a Khan Academy problem from the set called Calculating Work Done by a Force. So this block moves 5 meters to the right. That is the horizontal displacement. Except the force is oblique, that is neither parallel nor perpendicular, but there's a portion of the force that is parallel. Well, I guess we'd say anti-parallel. Work equals force dot distance. And what is this so-called dot product? Well, it's just one way to multiply two vectors. And to find the parallel component, you just do FD cosine of theta. Hypotenuse multiplied by cosine of theta gives you the adjacent leg. And maybe it's hard to visualize, but this is the hypotenuse of a right triangle. And there is a negative x portion to this force and a positive y portion to this force, except the positive y we don't care about, because if the motion is horizontal and the force is vertical, no work is done, because cosine of 90 degrees is 0. All right, so the force and the displacement have to be parallel or in the same direction in order for work to be done. In this case, it is anti-parallel. So what portion of this 10 Newton force is horizontal? That's the key question right here. So you just do FD cosine of 120 degrees, but you may know that that makes this guy 60 degrees, and the cosine of 60 degrees is simply a half. Or maybe you don't know that, but sooner or later you will memorize the unit circle, or at least the important triangles, the famous triangles in the unit circle. 10 newtons multiplied by 5 meters multiplied by the cosine of 120 degrees is, pardon my sloppiness, cosine of 120 degrees is negative 0.5. That is, what portion of this 10 newtons is backwards, that is in the negative x direction? Well, half of it. So half of 10 is 5, obviously, and then you simply multiply it by the 5 meters of displacement, and you will get negative 25 joules. What does negative work mean? Well, this force is removing energy from this system. So if the force and the displacement are in the same direction, then the system gains energy. If the force and the displacement are in opposite directions, then the system loses energy. That's what negative work means. And here's the happy confetti. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.